Imagine a world where animals look like they were designed by an alien artist. A mole with a nose like a fleshy starburst, a monkey with a schnoz that could star in a comedy, or a frog with a see-through belly. These aren't creatures from a sci-fi movie. They're real, living right here on Earth. Today, we're counting down the 10 strangest animals on the planet. And trust me, number 1 will leave you speechless. Let's dive in. We're starting strong with a creature that looks like it crawled out of a sci-fi nightmare. At number 10, meet the star-nosed mole, found in the wetlands of North America. This little guy has a nose unlike anything you've ever seen. 22 pink, fleshy tentacles arranged in a star shape, wiggling like they have a mind of their own. Blind as a bat, it uses those tentacles to see its world through touch, sensing prey in milliseconds. It's the fastest eater on Earth, scarfing down bugs in a quarter of a second. Is this nature's weirdest invention, or a stroke of genius? Fun fact, that star-shaped nose has over 25,000 sensory receptors, making it one of the most sensitive organs in the animal kingdom. Let's dive into the oceans off Australia for number 9, the leafy sea dragon. You'd swear this is just a piece of seaweed drifting in the current, but no, Pete's a fish. Those leafy appendages covering its body are perfect camouflage, blending seamlessly with the kelp it calls home. It's like nature decided to give a seahorse a makeover so good, predators don't even notice it's there. What's even weirder? Leafy sea dragons don't have teeth or a stomach, so they slurp up tiny shrimp like a living vacuum cleaner. And like their seahorse cousins, the males carry the babies, tucking eggs under their tails until they hatch. They can shift colors slightly to match their surroundings, making them the ocean's ultimate stealth artists. Now, we're plunging into the darkest depths of the sea for number 8, the Dumbo octopus. Named after Disney's flying elephant, this tiny creature has big, ear-like fins that flap as it glides through the abyss. It's like a little UFO floating in a world where sunlight never reaches. Cute? Sure. But surviving miles below the surface, where pressure would crush most life? That's bizarre. Unlike other octopuses, the Dumbo swallows its prey whole, no ink or fuss needed. And because it lives so deep, we rarely see it, making every glimpse feel like a peek into an alien world. Dumbo octopuses can grow from grapefruit-sized to dinner plate-sized, and each one is unique. Let's fly to the swamps of Africa for number 7, the shoebill stork. This bird looks like it traveled from the dinosaur era, standing up to 5 feet tall, with a beak shaped like a giant clog. It's the kind of creature that makes you do a double take. Its unblinking, yellow-eyed stare could unnerve anyone, and that beak? It's a weapon, snatching fish, eels, and even baby crocodiles with one snap. Then there's the sound. Shoebills clatter their beaks, creating a noise like a machine gun in the distance. Imagine hearing that in a quiet swamp. It's like nature's way of saying, stay back. Shoebills can stand motionless for hours while hunting, like a feathered statue ready to strike. Next, we're swimming to the lakes of Mexico for number 6, the axolotl. This smiling amphibian looks like it belongs in a cartoon, with frilly pink gills and a permanent grin. But what makes it truly strange is its refusal to grow up. Most amphibians lose their gills and move to land, but the axolotl stays in its larval stage forever, like a kid who never leaves home. And it gets weirder. Axolotls can regenerate entire limbs, even parts of their heart. Lose an arm? Grow a new one. Scientists are obsessed with these guys, hoping to unlock the secrets of healing. Fun fact, in the wild, axolotls are nearly extinct, but they're thriving as pets, and in labs thanks to their cute looks. Okay, time for a plot twist. You might think all the weirdest animals are underwater or in jungles, but number 5 proves you don't need an ocean to be bizarre. Meet the saiga antelope, roaming the steppes of Central Asia. This creature looks like an alien goat with a giant, fleshy, downward-facing nose that could star in a sci-fi movie. That snout filters dust and warms cold air, perfect for surviving harsh winters. Here's the surprise. Saigas were once as common as zebras, but now they're critically endangered. Their strange appearance reminds us that nature's oddballs often need our help to survive. The saiga's nose can inflate like a balloon to keep out dust, like a built-in air purifier. Let's leap to the rainforests of Central and South America for number 4, the glass frog. This tiny amphibian is like a living X-ray. Its belly is so transparent, you can see its heart beating, its intestines working, even its bones. It's like nature gave us a window into frog anatomy. Why so see-through? It blends into leaves, hiding from predators below. But let's be honest, watching a creature's organs in real time is both fascinating and a little creepy. Is this nature showing off or just playing a prank? Some glass frogs' hearts glow faintly under certain lights, like tiny lanterns. Now, we're creeping into the forests of Madagascar for number 3, the eye. This primate looks like it escaped a horror movie. With glowing orange eyes and a long, skeletal finger, it's like a gremlin with a mission. That finger taps trees to find hollow spots, then digs out insects with precision. It's nature's creepiest carpenter. Locals once thought the eye was a bad omen, and with one look at those eyes in the dark, you can see why. This guy is proof that nature has a dark sense of humor. The eye. Eye's finger is so sensitive, it can detect grubs through thick wood. We're diving back into the deep ocean for number 2, the goblin shark. This is nightmare fuel. Its long, flattened snout and extendable jaw make it look like an alien predator. That jaw shoots out to grab prey faster than you can blink, making it one of the ocean's scariest hunters. What's crazier? This shark is a living fossil, barely changed in 125 million years. It's like nature decided this design was too terrifying to mess with. Why does the ocean keep creating monsters like this? Goblin sharks are so rare, most sightings come from accidental catches by fishermen. And now, the number 1 strangest animal on Earth, the proboscis monkey, from the jungles of Borneo. This primate's nose is so massive it could star in its own comedy show. Males use their giant schnoz to amplify calls, attracting mates and scaring rivals with a honk that echoes through the swamp. Picture a monkey that sounds like a foghorn. The bigger the nose, the more attractive the male, like a jungle version of a dating app where big nose is the ultimate status symbol. But it's not just about looks. These monkeys are expert swimmers, with webbed feet to paddle through mangroves. Imagine a monkey doing a backstroke. This guy is proof that nature loves a good laugh. The nose grows bigger with age, so older males look like they're auditioning for a Muppet role. From tentacle-nosed moles to monkeys with foghorn schnozzes, nature is the ultimate storyteller, crafting creatures we can barely believe are real. Why does it make such bizarre animals? Maybe it's to remind us that life is wild, unpredictable, and full of surprises. Are we humans really the most advanced species? Or just another strange experiment? Drop your favorite weird animal in the comments, and if you love this dive into the wild side, hit subscribe for more mind-blowing science.